Every day of my life I am blessed. When I wake up in the morning and I lay my head to rest, every day of my life I am blessed. Listen, me praise God, make money, fun haters, fun bad mind. God knows me, me love woman, me father in, that's how me born. And up for them a try stop me, me try pass them straight. Funny for them a wicked, so what them in a rate. You know them want back still like a food from me plate, but I got over devil a hell with them straight. I am blessed. Every day of my life I am blessed. When I wake up in the morning and I lay my head to rest, every day of my life I am blessed. I am blessed. I am blessed. Every day of my life I am blessed. When I wake up in the morning and I lay my head to rest, every day of my life I am blessed.
It's jury them there. Oh, it's jury them there. Jury. The woman come back. The woman come back. Where I got a big extravaganza in New York. She come do a fitting with Master Baker. Cause Master Baker did her makeup so well. And she knows the Master Baker is a stylist too. Me not only do makeup, me do styling, yeah? So tonight she gonna try on some outfit and you and we're gonna pick the best one for the extravaganza. We're up in New York. Wanna hear about it? Wanna hear about it? Or a secret? Nobody never invite Master Baker. Them afraid me come crush the thing. Nobody not invite me. But me hear about it. And me, I will go up in there. Me, I go up in there. Cause me ear say, between me and Uno, me ear say Bernardo. Bring it and Bernardo. I got did it. Me ear say them I got did it. So if them think, say them I gonna make them way in a New York, NYC, the big apple. A big red juicy apple. And Master Baker not gonna show up. They make a sad mistake. Sad mistake. Between me and Uno. Now make them know me I come. Now make them know. Yes, I feel the secret that. Yes. But me about to dress the girl and send the girl out in a style and pattern. Because I don't know some Master Baker no rump with the styling business. So I style me, I go style up the girl. Yes, but me hear about the big, they call it what? Evening of Elegance. What kind of stush name them there? What kind of stush name them there? Because they don't want Master Baker to come, then I give it them that big old stush name there. But me I show up, me I go. The girl run in at the dressing room. I was she does along. No? A corset she put on. No? Where you there? Master Baker on a patient. Huh? So when I laugh.
You're ready, Master Baker.
Are you ready? Ready. Outfit number one. Locks. And what is this you're wearing? And back up so the jury them can see you. Yes, that is a nice it's popping. It's
You
popping.
like it?
It's popping.
They have pockets, you know, Master Baker.
It have pocket.
Yeah.
Me know because I me pick them out.
Yeah.
I me pick them out. So you know, to come
like
and
the
tell
pockets.
Master Baker what it is.
Yeah.
I pick them out. Let me talk to my jury them and make the jury them know what Master Baker pick out for you. So this one here, I don't think you want to enter the extravaganza in this.
You don't think?
You want to wear this on the plane. Yes, because it have a lot of compartments. So you can hide something up under there. You understand? You can hide put some stuff under there so that your suitcase not overweight. Me like this for the flight.
Okay,
For the fly.
hold on. Where's another way, you know, Master Baby?
Then I may pick it out.
Okay,
You can
hold
wear wallop away.
Hold on.
On I like that one, Jura. On I like that one. On I about a copy it and I don't want to see you in it. The extravaganza. Yes. Yeah. It can go up.
It can go up.
And you can buckle it so it don't come down on your titties.
Right.
Yes, on your titties. It have a lot of compartments. Y'all can see the compartmentalization. I think the jury them can see the compartmental. Turn the back. Turn the back. Yes. And there's a split at the back. Yes, this is very becoming. Yes, this is very becoming. This is in trend right now. All these compartmentalized. Yes, and we call this the dog tearing fashion. When you get torn up by a dog. Yes, you tore up from the floor up. I like it. It's popping. It's becoming. But I don't see you at the extravaganza in this one.
No.
I see you going to the airport in this.
Oh.
Yes. With all these compartments. Okay. Yes, very, very nice. Very nice. Okay. I like it. And it's showing a little bit of your buff through there. Yes, turn it and let the Jordan see. Yes, there's a little buffration going on through there. And if you want to pee, you can take it from the side.
Yeah,
either side. Yeah, you can move one and pee. Yes, it's very functional for you. Very functional. I like that one.
You like that one?
Yes, I like that one. Yes. So let me see what you have. Master Baker under a little bit of the weather. But let me see what you have for number 2.
Okay, I'll be back.
Okay, hurry up, Vanilla. We don't have all night here. The jury them have things to do. Yes, them have plates to wash. Them have all kinds of things to do. Yeah, but between me and Una, you should think me I go make sure wear when me I go wear. If you go up in there, she make a sad mistake. Sad mistake. The girl make. Yeah, them think me I go. Me I go. You love the color. Alright, Dina says she love the color. Trent Kirk said, what? Make it she in can't bother. Why you can't bother? Enough cut did I feel bother with. Why you can't bother? You want to take out all I cut them out I front and just left it wide open? Why you can't bother? Why you can't bother? There's nothing to bother with. Me make it easy access. You see all them wally pa access. Access what me give you now? Now you can talk about you can't bother. Bother with what? Jesus, we can't please or no. Oh no, please don't thief vanilla. Oh no, don't thief vanilla style. Tell them for me, Trent Kirk. No thieving. We're gonna copyright it. We're gonna copyright it. No thieving after style them. Because we're not gonna see a lot of style tonight. We're not gonna want thief. I'm gonna want to see on a nice style them. We're not come up in there in a uniform. It's not a uniform thing. Get on your own style. Don't piss Master Baker off. Get on your own style. But put wallpaper, blood, sweat and tears in a making them outfit here. Not for no copy. You understand? Hurry up! She coming. Now be patient. I play my team song. I am blessed.
Okay, here I am.
Oh! She dressed fast. This is another one. This is a very nice one. I like this one. Back up a little bit so they can see it. Back up that one. Yes. What you say about this? This one is very, very, very nice. Yes. They're going to give out award here. Because if they're giving out award, this is the one you should wear, go up to collect an award. This one is very, very, very nice. Turn the back of this one, let me see. Very nice. I like the hat. I like the hat. Because you know it's July. Maybe it's going to be sunny out there. So you have that to protect the contacts in your eyes. You understand me? I like that. I like that. But I need to see what else you're working with. I like how you have all those little cut. The cut is a trending thing this year.
Yeah.
It's trending. Yeah. It has that Spider-Woman effect to it. And it goes nicely with the hat. You understand? You just need a nice necklace. A nice big silver necklace around your neck, and perfect. I would keep this one to see if they're going to give you an award for just being there. Award you for the outfit.
Okay.
Maybe they will show an award in just for your outfit.
Just for the
it's
outfit.
not an award show, but they're going to award you because you wear this outfit. So wear it so you can go up and collect your award.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Very nice.
All right.
Very, very nice. Yes. Very nice. On the seat, no thieving. No thieving, no screenshotting, none of that. Because next thing, it wanna walk up into the place looking like vanilla. And that I got traumatized, Master Baker. That is very traumatizing. You understand? It's supposed to be 1 in a million. You understand? Don't even promise. Promise, Master Baker. So now come over here tonight. For thief anyone a Master Baker design them. Please, no thief none of me design me. I beg you, no me no. Someone love for thief, you know. I mean, I want to thief my design. And then I go to New York with you when the people them love you off now on the top or a phone or design. You understand? I want them to recognize me for my design. You know, I want them go up on stage and recognize Master Baker as the best designer in the United States. You understand?
All right, Master Baker.
All right, come. Yeah. Blue, very blue. Very blue and roomy. Yes, you can bring two other queen with you in it. Yes, but you not plan for bring nobody with you.
No.
Are you alone?
Me alone.
Some wouldn't bother with this. Only if you that bring 2 more queens with you, you could have stuck 1 on the left and 1 on the right. You understand me? I mean, I want you be mean with all this material. So no, we're not bother make you wear that one here.
No.
Not bother with that because them all grudge you for all the extra material. You understand? So no bother with it.
Okay.
Yeah. No bother with it. Yeah.
All right.
No bother with the one there. Leave the one there. Yeah?
Okay.
Yeah, leave the one there. Oh, no, can't thief that because you now wear it. Go right ahead and thief it. That's the only one who can thief. Thief it. And I like to sugar wear it. You can thief that one. Screenshot that one and thief it. Yeah? Yeah. But you see a pink one and a spider looking one, for the love of God. For the love of God. I'm gonna leave them two there alone. I have a feeling that somebody got TV, you know. I have a feeling, I don't know if I then true love, I don't know if I share a Ingrid or Diana McLean, but one of them plan for TV. Me just feel in my soul. Me think of Karen Blair, because she laugh as she man. If me ever see her in it, Karen, all hell. I got broken loose. And wally power, me sit on up all night.
All right, Master Baker. I didn't know if maybe it was a blue. Maybe you like it better in the red.
Me not like, no, not the red. Me tell us that them all bad mind you for all the room where you have in there. Not unless you have plan for carry me and somebody else. You have plan for carry me, you need a plan for carry me.
You can come with me, Master
can
Baker.
come?
Yes. Yes.
I mean,
Yes.
I know me never did a plan for come, but since you insist, I mean, I want you fight me and them things there.
Yes, since you're a makeup artist, you know, if I need any touch-ups or anything like
go
that.
want me for come.
Yes, no, I come.
Okay, because my name plan for coming, I mean, I have all kind of plan. Me did a plan for go away on this lovely, lovely trip. Me never did all be around. But since you have forced me, I just feel a force I come from you. Me go come.
Okay.
Alright, go and go put on the next one. She forced me. She forced me. You wanna sit down there and see how much she forced and beg me for come. Oh, me can't say no. Me can't say no after she bawled so much me come. Oh, Jesus. If my name that go, she don't have a nervous breakdown, her blood pressure that go up on everything else, you know. Thank God me's a kind Master Baker tonight. But I can't thief that one there too, because she now wear it. Yeah, I can't thief that. Thief that. It walla on a thief that. Yeah. But the pink and the spider, stay away from it. The love of God or a surration I'm reach, you know. I don't know playing with you know. Hurry up, Vanilla, before me start play back your music. Because Master Baker not no patient. And then people y'all laugh too much, you understand? Like them up to something. Master Baker, where is your outfit? Me not show it to you know. I'm afraid on the teeth, eh? On a teeth vanilla one, but I'm not going teeth Master Baker one. You hear? Can't ask why my outfit. Feisty. Bright. Out of order. Damn out of order. You know, see, I fit in me, though. Me a designer. Designer never give away for them own design. Where you from? No, sir. Hurry up! Because I didn't put no corset in there. Yeah. Master Baker no patience. So, she invite me to go at the award. How much I wanna make her sit there? How much I wanna? I got come upon Master Baker. Wanna not hug me? Please don't touch my nice, pretty makeup. You understand? And don't hug me before bring it hug me. Back up till bring it hug me. You hear? No, when I come, no. Wait till bring it hug me. What do I know? Want a long hug with Bringy. She coming. Ooh, me like this. Me love this. Very nice. Very, very nice. Very nice.
My shoes go with me.
Your shoes and everything matches. Very lovely. I like the shoes. The two-tone red shoes, I like it. This is very, you look like Ellen DeGeneres.
And I can.
Yes, she look like Ellen DeGeneres. Don't. The talk show host, Ellen DeGeneres. Yes,
See?
me know my style. Very nice. Turn the back and let us see it.
Hold on.
Yeah, turn the back. Oh Lord, I love this. Love this. This can be, you need to change about two, 3 times. Yeah, at the party. This is going to be one of them.
This is going to be one of them?
Yes, you can change into this one. You can change into this one about midnight.
About midnight?
Yes, this is your midnight wear. Yes?
Okay.
Very midnighty. Right, guys? Very midnighty. Open up the jacket and let us see. Very midnighty. Yes? I like it. Very midnighty. The shoes, what size shoes is that?
I don't know, 10, 11.
11 works very well for you. Don't wear your size. Wear this size. It goes amazing with the outfit. You don't need to wear your size. It goes nice. I like how it long off of your foot. It elongated your foot. Yeah? Make your foot look really nice and slender and long. Yes, I like it. I like it. Very, very nice. Very nice. Look, yes, you look good. Yeah, let them see you. Yes, one more turn. Then you, yes, before you go. Very nice, Ellen. You're giving that Ellen DeGeneres vibes. I like it. I like it a lot. I like it a lot.
So this one will work?
This one will definitely work. And let me warn them. Go back.
Okay.
Go. Yes, the next one. Yes, please. And don't take so long. Yeah, you know what I mean. Don't take so long.
Okay.
Yeah, hurry up with the dressing. That one is very nice. I got that Ellen DeGeneres vibes. The talk show host, Ellen DeGeneres. You know Ellen. I bet you guys know Ellen. Yes. That's like a little Ellen vibes right there. Oh no, don't make on a boyfriend copy that one. Yeah? It's not for boyfriends. It's not for husbands. It's for vanilla. Nah? It's for vanilla. At midnight, I don't want to see on a man in the same red jacket and the black pants and the black shirt. It's for vanilla. You understand? Ellen vibes. That's going to be our midnight look at the extravaganza. I see that you guys liking it. You guys feeling it. You guys feel, I see you feeling it. No need to bad mind it. Feel it. Feel it. You can feel it. May I give you authority? Feel it. Yes, feel it, man. Feel it. Yes, very nice. So far, the designs are wonderful. Wonderful. Okay? You can take, you know, a little, you know, you can look at it and you can copy a little bit from it, but not the whole thing. You understand? If you want, you can copy the jacket, but not copy the whole outfit. You understand? You can copy the inside. You understand? But not the jacket. You can copy the shoes, but not the outfit. Just a little. Something from it. Master Baker won't vex. Alright? Yes. Yes, man. Yes. And I can't wait for you to see the rest of the outfit. Master Baker been sewing for about 2-3 weeks now, working on these. Yes, no rest at all. No rest. I'm so tired, exhausted, but it's gonna worth it. Because when you all see vanilla, you're gonna be like, oh, Master Baker. Send me your measurement if you want me to make you a nice gown or something that you see here tonight.
Here I am, Master Baker.
Okay. All right. Oh, wow. Wow, wow, wow. 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 Just wow. Just wow. This one wows me. It really wows me. It reminds me of the Garden of Eden. That's where I got these vibes from. The Garden of Eden, all them nice shoe block flowers, those were in the Garden of Eden. Yes? And that's where I got the inspiration from. Very balloony and very gardeny. Yes, I like this. Very, very nice. Yes, I can see you entering the extravaganza in this one. Very nice. Very long. You don't need it adjusted. It needs to sweep the place just in case the place, you know, a little dust upon the floor. It will take care of it.
Got it.
You understand? You have to give your service wherever you go. Yes, this will work out fine. Anybody drop anything, your dress should be able to take care of it.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes, it will.
Yes. It will take care of the floor, and then you'll look fabulous. Yes, very nice. Very nice. Very nice. That frock is saying everything.
Everything?
This frock is everything.
Okay.
Everything. So I would definitely pull up in this one.
Pull up in this
Pull up in this one.
Got it.
All right? Pull up.
All right.
Yes, you need to pull up in this one.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. I'll do that.
Yes. Very nice. Very, very nice. Very sophisticated and nice. You understand? Very conservative. Yes. It's windproof. It's very windproof. It can be a windy day. It will stay in place. Yes. It's an inspiration from the Garden of Eden. That's where Master Baker got the inspiration for this dress. Yes. I was just sitting there working on other dresses, and I just start to remember in the beginning when God created the heaven and the earth. My mind just went back to the Garden of Eden. You understand? And I said, Eve, why you do that? Why you force Adam to eat the damn apple? You know what I mean? So I said, okay, I'm just going to make a dress. From that inspiration. Why you give Adam the damn apple to eat? You understand? Because we all could just show up now at the big extravaganza, butt naked. Butt naked. But Eve, you just did too pushy, you're too bossy, you don't have no respect. You understand? And Adam, you did just too licky. That's why Master Baker offered all this work, because you're licky and gonna name the apple. Yes, you understand? But thank God you did, because I got a wonderful inspiration from the Garden of Eden. Garden of Eden. God, no, me can't take it no more.
Okay.
Well, you can't take no more, if rock?
Master Baker.
Yes, you're ready.
Coming. Here with me.
Oh
It's
my
heavy.
God, this one's gonna.
It's heavy.
This one gonna bring tears to my natural eyes.
It's heavy.
Ooh.
Boy.
Oh,
Hold on. I need a break.
okay. This one will give you exercise. Come along. By the time you reach at the award, you'll work out and get thin. Yes, that's the purpose of the dress.
Yes.
Did you realize that you put on the dress back way?
I did?
Yes, the zip should be in the back. Yes, you have it on back
Oh,
way. Yes.
no.
Yes.
I'm sorry. Hold
So
on.
you go to the laundry room and flip it around.
Okay.
Real quick for me. All right. Don't misrepresent Master Baker fashion. Don't do it. Don't do it. This one gonna bring me to my knees. This one. Give me a second, Jerry.
Okay, I'm here.
Touch my heart.
It's heavy.
This one is definitely. Jeez, I never know I had such talent. This one is very sparkly. Yes, it's very sparkly. It's very Cinderella-y. Jeez. It's very ballroomy. it's just very everything. It's just mind blowing. It's like wow. It's like wow. Wow. I blew myself away. I didn't know I was this talented. I love the feather details. Yes. I love the sparkling. Yeah. Yes. I love the cleavage. You know. Yes, I like that cleavage, the cut at the cleavage. Yes, I like how it sweeps the floor too. Yes, you can't walk, no floor will be dirty when you're around. I love it. Turn the back, please. Turn the back, turn the back, turn the back. Yes, turn the back. Oh, wow. Wow, just wow. I don't have words. Vanilla, are you feeling it?
I am.
You're feeling it.
Yes.
You're feeling all the
I feel like a princess.
You feel like a princess and you feel free.
I feel free.
You feel free. You look like a bird. Like it gives you that bird vibe.
Yes.
That bird vibe.
You
can fly. Yes. I believe I can fly. You can touch the sky.
I can touch the sky.
With
definitely.
this dress, you definitely can touch the sky,
Yes.
Vanilla. Yes. Very nice. Let the children see you. Very, very nice. Look. They love it. They love it. It's dazzling. It's dazzling. You don't need any light. They don't need to turn on any light in the room when you go to the event. They can turn off all the lights and then it will be give the dazzling vibes. You understand? Everybody will still be able to find you. Don't you worry.
Okay.
Yes. Yes. Very nice. I love it, Vanilla.
Okay.
That's it. That's the end of it.
This is the last one.
That is the last
Yes.
one. Okay. Okay. I should have pull out a lot more for you, Vanilla, but I think I found the one. Yeah.
I think you found
the
one.
three. Yeah.
Yeah.
The three.
I think this is the one for the main event.
That's for the main. Yes. Yeah. Up until 12 o'clock.
Yes.
Up until 12 o'clock.
Yes.
That's the one. Yes. Them said. Somebody said hot mess. Somebody said hot mess.
Hot mess.
Hot mess. We don't know what that means. Master Baker don't know those terms. At mess, we don't know what that means. But it's fabulous. It's fabulous. Beautiful. 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 You guys love them? Me know I
Thank
love
you
them.
so much, Master Baker.
You're very much welcome. You're
All right.
very welcome.
So you are coming with me, right?
You know, I would like to see that spider outfit on you one more time. Just the spider one with the hat. That's my favorite. I like that one. Can I just see it one more time?
One more time.
Yeah, just one more time. Yeah, the spider. If you're not in a phone, you see, if you never did in a phone, I'd have beat every last one of you. The fight on for my outfit them. If you never did in the phone, I feel like to pull up a phone and find on you. I feel like to take off the back of the phone and pull on out of it. Yeah. I feel to take off the back of the phone and pull on out. On the day I laugh off of my designer outfit them. You understand? Wait till I come off here. I pull the phone and pull out every last one of you out there. Uno go and laugh. And I never say high-end fashion like this. Designer. Master Baker design. Yes. Wanna send me on a measurement, wanna make sure, wanna measure the fattiest part on the boob, your waist and your hip, and send it to me so I can make an outfit because I know I want to make it, right? Make it for honor. I will do it for honor at a discounted price. Yes? Me not going to charge you as much as me charge Vanilla. Me will give you at a discount. You understand? Yes, me will work with you. Which one I want me make for you? The whole of you can't go like Spider-Woman. So some have to be Spider, some have to be Cinderella, and some have to just be whatever. You understand? Yes. But me will make it for you. Run away there.
Coming.
Baking the... Oh, yes.
Here I am.
The cakes will be provided by Master Baker. I love this. This is my absolute favorite. This is the absolute favorite of the night. I think this one is the favorite for them too. I think they love this one. I think this one is
the favorite?
Yeah, I think this is their favorite. They said this is the Spider Woman outfit, and they love it. I think this is going to be the trend.
This is the trend.
This is the trend. You're going to set the trend with this one. Yes? Vanilla. I hope you're happy with all of your outfits.
I am.
And you're comfortable with all of them.
I am.
Okay?
Yes.
Master Baker spent a lot of time to design all of these for you.
And I appreciate all your hard work, man.
Thank you very, very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank
I
you very
appreciate
much.
you.
She appreciates them.
Yes.
Yes.
Nobody's going to look like me. I'm going to stand out.
She's going to stand out.
Yes. Thank you,
Yes.
Master Baker.
Yes. Very nice. Very good job, Vanilla. Thank you for modeling all of them. Yes, to the jury. And I know they're going to blow up my phone. Yes. They'll be blowing up my phone with orders. Yes. Miss just one person. Take it easy with me. You understand? Take it easy with me. Me I want somebody. No bombard me now. Me can't make for everybody. No? You understand? Take it easy. Huh? Don't get beside on yourself. Yeah, take it easy with me. Yeah. And just the blessing.
Yes, I just the blessing.
Father God bless you.
I just the blessing. Father God bless him. One more blessing. Oh, I just the blessing. I just the blessing. They can't stop me. Oh, I am blessed. I am blessed. Every day of my life, I am blessed. When I wake up in the morning and I lay my head to rest, and every day of my life I am blessed. Me say me praise God, make money, money haters, one bad mind. God knows me, me love woman, me father him, that's why me born. And enough of them a try stop me, me fly past them straight. One if of them a wicked, so what them in a race. You know them want back select some food from me plate, but I got over devil and hell with them straight. I am blessed. Every day of my life I am blessed. When I wake up in the morning and I lay my head to rest, every day of my life I am blessed. You lift me up, He watch over me. So when the wicked rise up, men feed them. With 10 years, me I make it. Someday I gotta sit down, but me a tour. Hands up from you, now about stand. Well, I make me pick up me friend them. Live up your rhythm, it have the prayer. Irish dancing, no worry, everything straight. I am blessed. I am blessed. Every day of my life I am blessed. When I wake up in the morning and I lay my head to rest, every day of my life I am blessed. Me say me praise God, make money, money haters, one bad mind. God knows me, me love woman, me father him, that's why me born. And enough of them a try stop me, me fly past them straight. One if of them a wicked, so what them in a race. You know them want back select some food from
Love
me
you
plate, but I
guys.
got over devil and hell with them straight. I am blessed. Every day of my life I am blessed. When I wake up in the morning and I lay my head to rest, every day of my life I am blessed. I am blessed. Every day of my life I am blessed. When I wake up in the morning and I lay my head to rest, every day
Jennifer, come in.
I am blessed.
Win some. Sashira. Thank you, Jeanette. Camilla. Cheryl. Gwendolyn, I'm not sure, that flew by me. Lucina, and Treen, and G, Sherman, thank you. Vasanta, Sandy K. Yes.
I'm a Jamaican boy, born and raised. Nowadays I'm lost between two shores.
Treen K.
And it's time for the day home. New York's home, but it ain't mine no more.
Y'all get your tickets.
I am myself.
Yes. An evening of elegance
One day.
on July the 13th with none other than the Blanca boss herself making her entrance in the United States of America. Who's that? Ah. I am Jackie Rose.
And I am lost.
Then
I
can't
even say.
come from Jamaica, big up yourself. Y'all follow Miss Bam, you're here. Support the Queen. She's over on YouTube and Facebook. Michelle BBA. And your hope became one. Teresa. Miss Jennifer Gooding. Anissa. Hortense.
I've got this emptiness deep inside.
Tarsia.
Won't let me go.
That's right, New York, let's do it again.
New York. Who are on there?
I'm a man who likes to swear, but I need the sound of me alone.
I am to know.
And no one's certain all night.
Even the chair. Come in! One for the road, one for the road, one for the road. One for the road. One for the road.
Yeah, I'm up at Brooklyn. Now I'm down in Tribeca, right next to the Narrow. But I'll be hood forever. I'm the new Sinatra. And since I made it here, I can make it anywhere. Yeah, they love me everywhere. I used to cop in Harlem. All of my Dominicanos right there up on Broadway. Pulled me back to that McDonald's. Took it to my stash spot, 560 State Street. Catch me in the kitchen like a Simmons whipping pastry. Cruising down A Street, off-white Lexus. Driving so slow, but BK is from Texas. Me, I'm out that Bed-Stuy, home of that boy Biggie. Now I live on Billboard, and I brought my boys with me. Say what up to Tata, still sipping my top. Sitting
Come in, Miss Alicia Keys.
I be spiked out.
Yes.
Tell by my attitude that I'm most definitely from.
Yeah! Concrete jungle where dreams are made of. Thing you can do. New York will make you feel brand new. Inspire you. New York.
I made you catch me at the X with OG at a Yankee. That made the Yankee hat more famous than the Yankee. You should know I bleed blue, but I ain't a crick though. But I got a gang and walking with my click though. We'll be selling Africa been by the home of the hip hop. Yellow cap, gypsy cap, dollar cap, holla back. With foreigners, it ain't fit, they act like they forgot how to act. 8 million stories. I'm
Come in, Miss Alicia Keys. New York. We're crazy door. Yeah, man. We can't take it slow business, Alicia. After it's ready, we understand? Yeah. Jamaica, we get mad by you.
We need to speed it up.
I want to play this for you definitely.
I want the chorus. Concrete jungle where dreams are made of.
There's nothing you can't do. It will inspire you.
Jamaica, yeah. Yellow cows. Oh God. Where dreams are made of. Gillette. Make you feel brand new. Feel inspire you. One of the things that I'm gonna keep way out there. New York, complete jungle where dreams are made of. You can do things that will inspire you. We don't know any lyrics. Make you feel brand new. It will inspire you. New York, until we come to build up the fights. Yeah. You know you can come power. When it ain't master of your soul. Yes. Make you feel brand new. It will inspire you. New York. Here we come. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Oh, let's say pull up one more time.
That one I pull up on the New York.
I'm in New York.
The New York, okay. Which one I want? The Virgin with
Then just say pull up.
oh. They want to keep it out there, you know.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I think that's easy. New York, it's up to you. New York, New York.
So nice, they had to name it twice.
Yeah.
New York, New York.
We don't want with Jay-Z. He have more vibes.
Yeah.
Eyes on these two. Someone have to keep their eyes on these
I'm out at
two.
Brooklyn, now I'm down in Tribeca, right next to the Narrow. But I'll be hood
Let's
forever.
move on,
I'm
fun,
living
man.
Sinatra, and since I made it here, I can make it anywhere. Yeah, they love me
Let's not
everywhere.
go out to it. What's fun?
All of my Dominicanos right there up on Broadway. Pulled me back to that McDonald's, took it to my stash spot, 560 State Street. Catch me in the kitchen like a Simmons whipping pastry.
Hey!
Moving down A Street, off-white Lexus, driving so slow, but BK is from Texas. Me, I'm out there Bed-Stuy, home of that boy Biggie. Now I live on Billboard, and I brought my boys with me. Say what up to Tata, still sipping my top, sitting courtside, Knicks and Nets give me.
Why don't I have to lose something, Bobby? Understand me?
Alright.
You're in a stiff business. Yeah, we give one on one. Yeah.
Nothing you can't do.
Yeah.
New York.
Hot girl move, yeah.
Chilling with my sister. Welcome to the melting pot. Corners where we selling Africa and bodies. Home of the hip hop. Yellow cap.
Gangsta fierce, yeah.
Holla back. If foreigners it ain't fit, they act like they forgot how to act. 8 million stories.
Yeah, strong fierce. Let me see your fierce.
It's a pity.
Get every bad girl fierce. Well, let's see better. Come on, squeeze up your ass.
LeBron, I'm painting the Wayne.
Yeah.
Three dice, Eno.
Yeah, man.
Three
Yeah, bad girl look.
Labor Day parade.
Let me see bad girl look.
Statue of Liberty. Long
Yeah, no, you know, it's true.
Long in the king, yo. I'm on the Empire State.
Concrete jungle where dreams are made of. There's nothing you can't do. Do ya?
You come back to your wife's world now. Speak with black people, man. Yeah, man, yeah.
Inspire you. Do ya?
Yeah, we get me swag, man. Yeah.
Lights is blinding. Girls need blinders so they can step out of bounds quick. The sidelines
Those folks
is
in
lined
it.
with casualties who sick
Yeah.
like casually. They gradually become worse. Don't fight the apple eve.
Then I have to move nowhere, that's it.
You're in style and in the winter gets cold. Involved with the skin out.
Yeah.
City of sin.
Them see in that corner, they go there to play with you. That's see in that corner like that.
Mommy took a bus trip, now she got a bus out.
Yeah.
Everybody ride her, just like a bus route. Hail Mary to the
If you want
you're a
football,
virgin.
I'm watching
Jesus
stuff.
can't
Yeah.
save you like stars
Football.
when the church
Yeah.
came
When
in.
I'm a college here, I extravagant to the bad girl style. Yeah. Like that. Let me show you what it is.
Slip you an ambient.
Your head can't go up. Yeah, man. So, when I see, let me see what. When I see Cynthia, she said, I'm gonna lay right. Yeah. A quick walk. Yeah. Yeah. So you do it.
Inspire you.
Yeah. When I see Miss Lord, and she said, I'm gonna lay right. Yeah. Yes, sir. Lord. Yeah. Yeah, Lord. Yeah. Yeah. Lord. Yeah. Yeah. All right. Say it, please. Your turn. Yeah. Yeah. Lord. Yeah. When I sit down, just say, that, what up, D? What up, million? Yeah, what up, D? What up, D? Yeah. You know what I'm going too hard for Rose kitchen, you understand? They say Rose, yeah, Rose.
Say
One,
Rose.
no, do two for Rose. Do one
One,
now for
okay.
Rose. Rose, one now. They don't want to
All
scare
right.
Rose.
Yeah, Rose.
Yeah, Rose, yeah. The dimes now you can. Dee, yeah. So you're running. Yeah, teacher. Yeah, teacher.
All right. So D.
Yeah.
D with D.
I understand. You have to teach her. Oh, we have to work. Yeah. Lord. Yeah.
Lord.
Yeah. Say Chris and you. And then Lord. Match.
Someone shine
What up? Yeah.
until
What
I
up?
see the right.
Cards. That's a cousin and cards.
Till I had to
Yeah.
try.
Cards. Your cards. Yeah.
Oh
Oh.
yes, let me get my words right
And then approach it. When I teach you like a man is supposed to. When you say Ashanti, no. It's a vanilla.
No, I
Ashanti.
know everyone
Yeah.
can relate to when
Yeah.
they find
Ashanti.
Yeah. You still make like a bad girl looking. I can feel like you're punk.
Okay.
I can feel like you're punk.
Oh, so it's like this. Ashanti. Yeah.
Yeah. What up, G? What up?
What up, G?
Yeah.
What
Alright.
up, bro?
So what up? No, you sound white as that man.
Okay.
Sure.
What up?
What up, G? Yeah. What up? What up, G? What up, G? Yeah.
What's one, G?
queen.
What up, G?
All right. What up, G?
Yeah. Alright. That's a teacher, anyway. What can I
What you did,
I need to make up to be a cutie. She is a queen. Hey!
she's
Yeah. Teach her a little things then. Yeah. Who else? Try to think more, everybody. When time I try to think more, everybody can't think.
No, I never been
Tessa.
someone shy
What up, Tess?
until I see you right.
Yo, Tess. Yo, Tess. Yeah.
What up?
Yo, Tess. Not the what up. Yo, Tess.
Yo, Tex.
Ah.
Oh, yes.
Let me get my rhymes right and then approach you. When I treat you like a man is supposed
What about Auntie?
Auntie.
Never have to cry.
Hey.
I know.
Good girl. Good girl. Are you this? Good girl. Are you?
Good girl, are you this?
Are you this good girl?
Are you this
Welcome
good
to the
girl?
place for the good girl. Yeah.
Are you this good girl?
Water
In my life.
I never knew anyone who had a good kind. I don't know what, but we just have two names out.
Hillary Wagwan.
Hillary, pick up yourself.
Qualities.
Of a queen. Hey.
She's a queen. Ooh, ooh, what a
Charles, walk up in the
natural.
night.
No need to make
I'm
up.
scared to walk in there.
She's a queen.
Yeah.
She's a queen.
You make your
And
entrance.
when they ask what a good woman's made
Hey,
of,
back up.
she's not afraid and ashamed of who she is.
Yeah.
She's
So you do it.
royal.
Yeah. So you do it.
So royal.
Let me stop. What up, Lord?
What up, Blue Boot?
Yeah, man. What up, Lord?
What's up, Blue Boot?
Yeah. So yeah, when you see her on it, and they call your son, your bad girl, so son.
What up, Blue Boot?
Gary, your head movement. What up, Lord? Yeah.
What up, Blue Boot?
Yeah. Yeah.
My queen.
Yeah. Teach one of them bad girl vibes. Miss Lawton. Yeah. What up, Blue Boot? All right. Yeah.
Smile.
Yeah. See him, sir. Yeah. What up, y'all?
What up, Blue Boot?
Yeah, what up, Lord? Gary, 2 inches. What up, Lord?
What up, Blue Boot?
Yeah.
Never leave your
That's
side.
right.
Just stick with me
Till
through
the
the
trial
trial times. And she says she don't mind.
Stacy Campbell. What up, Stacy?
What up, Stace? What up, Stace? You're not far with me. What up, Stace?
What up, Stace?
All right. Yeah. Yeah. Bad girl vibes tonight.
What up, Stace?
Yeah.
She needs to be more
More than wine and dine because she's royal.
Yeah.
Royal.
and
Water in my practice for bad girl vibes.
Yeah, I have to get it right, you know. I have to get it right, you know, Chef Booty. So,
When we step up in the building. Yeah.
yeah, Lord.
Yeah. When I get on a ticket yet, when I don't get on a ticket, we don't want to laugh with me. Yeah.
And remember, if you're coming from Canada, connect with Nano in church to get your ticket for the bus.
Yes.
They got
to be a cutie. She's a queen,
Yeah.
so supreme. And when they ask what a good woman's made of, she's not afraid
And
and
ashamed of. I left where let's get ready to leave now, people. Go back and watch the Master Be a Coffee Thing if you miss it. Water in my life.
Thank you,
Thank you so much, Stacy. Love your queen.
Love you, Queen.
So one of a kind.
Thank you, Stacy.
The way she moves around. And make sure, while we're in the New York vibes, don't you forget Miss Lotian's Kitchen, Chef Lotian's in New York. Make sure you always check her out every day. All right? Yes, man. She have the most delicious food over there.
Yes.
Gonna check out
Please
Miss
check out
Lotian's
Miss Lotian's kitchen. Remember, she has 2 locations.
Yes, we've been to one.
Yes.
And let me the food was off the chain. You
Amazing.
understand? Yes, we're not out here as often as we'd like to promote. You understand? But we'll get a little chance. We like to
Yes.
highlight the progressive people across social media.
Yes.
Check out Dimes Million. Yes, she sells some good up things over there.
Uh-huh.
Yes, man. Don't you forget. You're in England. Don't you forget Brixton Cake Shop.
Yes, don't forget Brixton Cake Shop.
An
of course.
auntie of all kind of things
And
that go on.
and of course, Auntie Donna.
Yes, and always I forget the name of Jamrock Goodies.
Jamrock Goodies,
Yes, big up Jamrock
Jamrock Goodies, big up
Yes,
yourself.
wanna get some
Stush Boutique.
Tush
Don't forget
Boutique.
Stush Boutique.
Yes, Nuts Bling bracelets.
She has some nice outfits too. Yes.
Yes. Just support on a people.
Yes.
Just support
one another.
on a people.
Yes.
Trust me. Support on a people. Let's support our people. You understand? Let's keep it in the black race. Let's build up our people. Let's build up our Jamaica community. Yes, man. It's always nice to support each other. Yes, me love support black businesses. Wanna support. Yes.
Follow Nat's Bracelet Bliss and More. Follow her page.
Yes.
Follow all of
Rose,
all of
she
them.
sell
Rose,
desserts
yes.
and stuff like that.
Yes, Rose makes some
Support.
amazing desserts.
Yes, some amazing dessert. Put up anybody you don't want put up when them sell. When me forget, you understand? Just put them up in there. I don't mind. Put them up. We don't mind.
We don't mind.
Yes. Put
Yes.
them up
Again,
in
Gem
there.
Rock Goodies.
Support the people. Them man. Support. It's good to support. Yeah. Yes, man. Dance
876
good.
Roots Wear. That's what I'm saying.
Yes, put it
All
up in
right.
there. Put it up in there. Yes, because
Yes,
sometimes
that's
we
right.
can't remember
Support each other.
everybody. Support each other. That's right. I don't mind support. I love supporting my people.
I love to support others. Yes.
I love to support people. Yes, big up on yourself. Open up. I put a smile on your faces tonight. That's what we're about, you know. Getting you in a good mood if you weren't in a good mood. All right, put up whatever. Nanoline's Kitchen, yes.
Nanoline, yes.
JCM Kitchen, big up, yes. Yes, man. Like I said, put whomever you want to put up in there. Yes, once they're business people, go out and support your people. That's how we build each other up.
That's
yes?
right.
Jealousy, jealousy
Junction
shouldn't live
Restaurant.
in nobody
Okay.
at all. Yeah? We are, most of us, we're not from wealthy backgrounds. Most of us are from humble beginning. Most of us struggle and fight our way. So if we can help each other, you know what I'm saying?
Yep.
That's a beautiful thing. That's a beautiful thing.
See, they're putting up a lot of names in there.
Yes.
Don't forget Chef Noel.
Chef Noel. Everybody.
All right,
Yes.
there you go.
Put up Lady V have a boutique. Put
Lady
up
V has her boutique, yes.
Put up Lady V boutique up
Yes.
in there. I don't know the name of it.
In Antigua.
Yes.
Yep. Glitz and Glam.
Glitz and Glam. Yeah, man. Yes,
Yes.
man. Put them all up in there. Support your brother, your sisters. Yes. We
And your
have it.
brothers.
Yeah. And your brother, right? Chef Noel, Your Majesty.
Ashley's
Yes.
Hair Paradise.
We have the odds are already against us in this world, believe it or not. So when we have a chance to support each other, we should, and we should leave jealousy and envy out of it, because when one rise, we all rise. Believe me. Yes. So big up on yourself. Yes.
Big up yourself.
Big up on yourself. Yes, and I'll make sure to get on the tickets. Yes, get on the tickets and support Auntie's event. Yes, and if you can't go and you can send somebody, that counts as well.
Yes,
you
it does.
understand? If you can, because I know people have their jobs, especially here in the United States, people work on the weekends. If you can't go and you know somebody, yeah, you can send somebody, you know, and support the thing. You understand?
Yeah.
Support it.
And if you can buy, if you are going and can buy tickets for others, please
Yes,
do so.
please
Because you
do
know
so.
there are a lot of people that would love to go, they just can't.
They
afford
just
it.
can't afford it. So
Yes.
yes, help somebody and send somebody if you guys aren't able to make it. And even if you're making it and you have that extra money and you can let somebody go and enjoy themselves, that's a beautiful thing as well.
Yes.
All right? We're not pressuring nobody who
No,
don't
no,
have
no.
it, because we don't know people's pocket. But I'm just saying, if you can, that would be a nice thing to do.
A nice gesture.
A nice gesture.
Yes.
Right? God bless you guys. Thank you for coming to see about us. We appreciate you, each and every one of you. We'll see you back on the weekend. We're going to try our best. Even though it's a long weekend, it's a busy weekend for us, but we'll try to run in. All right? If we don't show up, don't hold it against us. The intention is there. God bless each and every one of you, and I hope I made you smile tonight.
Thank you
We
guys so
made
much
you
for
smile
joining
tonight.
us. We appreciate you.
Thank you for visiting.
Yes.
Everybody.
Thank
Big
you
up
for hanging out
yourself,
with us.
Miss Lothian. God bless you guys. Good night.
All right, good night, guys. Love you. Bye-bye.